Hello everybody, today we would like to show how you can hide the applications on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you gotta choose what application in particular you would like to hide. So basically the only way to hide an app is to hide it from the home screen directly, which you can do by choosing the app that you would like to conceal. Let's say I'll go with this one, then hold on the app icon, app shortcut. At the very bottom of this dialog window, go for the remove app option, tap on it. Do not go for the delete app because it will erase app from your device completely. Just tap on the remove from home screen option. And just like so, the app has been successfully hidden from your home screen. You will not be able to find it over here, but at the same time, it will still be accessible from the app library, which you can obviously see it right here, or you can also access it from search, just like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.